Hi, everybody. My nose has been super stuffed. I had a constant tickle. It feels like there's somebody in there with a feather just going back and forth. But my sneezes have been getting stuck, so I'm gonna do a few induced ones to help it out. Ooh. 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 One more. Ooh. 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 If you guys ever want to chat, exchange videos, you can add me on Snapchat if you have a Snap. I don't have a Kick or Skype or anything, but I do have Snapchat. More than welcome to inbox me, ask me for my info. Ooh, tickles. Ooh. I think there's one more. Tickles so much. Bless me. Hope to hear from you guys.